The TV market is filled with value-packed options, making it easier than ever to find an affordable set. But with so many choices, picking the right one can be tough. Today we're looking at the Samsung Q60D, a budget-friendly QLED TV. But is it the best deal for you? Let's find out. The Samsung Q60D is an entry-level QLED great for those who want an affordable Samsung TV. It features a sleek design, decent picture quality, and a built-in smart platform for streaming. But compared to other options in the same price range, it lacks certain performance features, making mid-range alternatives like the TCL QM7 and Hisense U7N more appealing. One of the Q60D's best features is its ultra-slim, 1-inch thick design. Unlike many budget TVs, it has a premium look. Setup is simple, with tool-free installation of its L-shaped feet, which can be positioned higher to accommodate a soundbar. Every unit includes Samsung's solar cell remote, which charges via light, though its minimal design lacks a dedicated input button, requiring extra steps to switch sources. The Q60D includes 3 HDMI 2.0 ports, one with eARC along with Ethernet, optical audio, and ATSC 1.0 tuner, and 2 USB 2.0 ports. Many competitors like the Sony Bravia 3 and Hisense U6N offer 4 HDMI ports and even HDMI 2.1 support, making them more appealing for those with multiple devices. Out of the box, the Q60D delivers solid color accuracy, covering 90% of the UHDA P3 HDR color gamut. However, its contrast and brightness are lacking, with peak brightness maxing out at around 470 nits. Dark scenes in movies can appear flat and gray due to its edge-lit LED backlighting and lack of local dimming. Meanwhile, mid-range models like the Hisense U7N and TCL QM7 use mini LEDs for significantly better HDR performance. For gamers, the Q60D is limited to 60Hz 4K gaming due to its lack of HDMI 2.1, VRR, FreeSync, or G-Sync. However, its input lag of 9.5 ms ensures a responsive gaming experience. Samsung's Gaming Hub allows cloud gaming, but serious gamers may prefer the U7N or QM7 for smoother, more immersive gameplay. Running on Samsung's Tizen OS, the Q60D provides access to popular streaming services. However, its sluggish performance and intrusive ads make it less user-friendly compared to Google TV found on competing models. A streaming device like Roku or Apple TV can improve the experience, but will take up one of the 3 HDMI ports. The Q60D's built-in 20-watt speakers deliver average sound with minimal bass and some distortion. For better audio, pairing it with a soundbar is highly recommended. The Q60D comes in sizes ranging from 32 to 85 inches, with discounts making it a tempting budget option. However, with similarly priced mid-range TVs offering better brightness, gaming features, and software, the Q60D faces tough competition. If you prioritize a Samsung brand name and a slim design, the Q60D might be right for you, especially if you need a 32 or 70-inch model. However, if you're looking for the best value in this price range, you'll find better performance and features with alternatives like the TCL QM7, Hisense U7N, or even the Sony Bravia 3. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews.